Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to create this look. Very quick, very easy. I think I say this in every video. It's very quick, very easy. Probably took me like, I don't know, like 10 minutes or something. It was very simple. I used this palette here, which is new to my collection, which is the Sample Beauty The Cult palette. I bought the trio, so I bought the Cult palette, the Tectonic palette, and the Paradigm Shift Volume 2 palette all together as a bundle, and I'm very happy with it because this is like my first ever Sample Beauty kind of collection. They're very pigmented, like crazily pigmented, very colourful. Like this one, as you can see, super colourful. I just decided to do a really quick, simple, literally quick and simple bronze look. Very easy to do, so it just takes a couple steps and just a bit of blending and you're pretty much done. So this is the look. If you want to see how to do this, please continue watching.
So I'm going to start off with this colour in the top right corner, which is a nice nude brown, and I'm going to put that all over my eye. This is the base colour. This is the colour that's going to be sticking through till the end, so I blend that through all over the eye. Then I take the colour next to it, which is a more deep, dirtier brown, and I blend this on the outer corner, and I kind of smoke it on my lash line as well, but I keep most of the pigment to the outer corner so that it looks kind of shaded. Then I take the bronze shimmer on the same row and I spray a little bit of fixing spray on the brush, and I basically pack that on, making sure that I have a really nice cute little shimmer from the inner corner to the center of the eye. I just love a good shimmer, you know. And then I put this on the lower lash line, but on the inner corner part only. That's the only place I keep it. Then with that same dirty brown that I use in the outer corner, I blend that on the lower lash line, connecting that to the inner corner. Then I take the Lash Natural Edition 13 lashes, which are my fave of all time, and I apply that. Then the number 7 lip liner in nude, which I got this, God knows, like 3-4 years ago in a little Christmas kit or something, and it's my favorite nude, and I blend that to my lips. Then I use the Kiko Hydra lip gloss in 05, which is super sparkly and I love it, and I put that on. So pretty much that was the fastest tutorial that I've ever recorded in my entire life, so that's pretty much it. If you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.